Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by charging and powering up the watch, then open the companion app on your phone to pair. This creates a secure link so data flows correctly. Once done, make sure Bluetooth and location are enabled on the phone because many features require them. Tap through the app prompts and grant notifications and health permissions so the watch can mirror calls and track activity. Don't skip firmware updates. They fix bugs and enable new features, so install updates before moving on. Now you customize how the watch behaves. Pick a watch face and add complications for calendar, battery, or weather so info is glanceable. Then configure health settings, set a realistic step goal, adjust heart rate sampling, and enable sleep tracking to get useful trends. Once set, manage app notifications to reduce clutter. Choose which apps can buzz you and set quick replies for messages. These choices reduce interruptions and make the watch meaningfully supportive. Finish by practicing basic gestures and shortcuts so you use the watch fluidly. Swipe for notifications, press for apps, long press to change faces. Conserve battery with auto brightness and battery saver, and limit background apps to extend a day or more. Backup settings in the companion app so you can restore quickly. If things go wrong, the key troubleshooting tip: restart the watch first. If unresponsive, a factory reset often resolves pairing or software faults. Then repair and reapply settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.